This camera works through glass. It's marketed as the first smart security camera designed specifically to sit inside your home, mounted on a window, and still monitor everything outside. It uses a special millimetre-wave radar system that can actually penetrate glass. This is the W11 Smart Window Camera, which can be mounted without drilling, without exposed wiring, without outdoor installation, and without the risk of someone easily stealing it. You can basically turn any window in your house into a smart security monitor. It's by a brand named HomiQ. The letter I is silent. Inside the box you get this card with the HomiQ logo on it, a user manual. You can see it works with both iOS and Android, and then of course there's the camera. I don't know about you, but this looks like a shocked face to me. The left eye is the lens, the right one is the radar module, and the bottom piece, or the mouth should I say, is just a plastic decorative panel. It's nice and small as you can see. It fits right into the palm of my hand. The bottom here holds the speaker, and the top holds the power button and the microphone. On the right hand side you have the Type-C port and a micro SD slot too to store the footage. You also get an accessory kit which includes a couple of things. So you get 2 magnetic camera mounts, 2 magnetic strips for the solar panel, and the solar panel itself. It's actually handy that they include a spare in case you ever want to move the camera or if you're moving house altogether. A tool-free installation is always welcome and it's super easy. Providing you've already downloaded the HomiQ app, you'll want to give your window a quick clean. Then power on the camera, attach it to the magnetic mount. Okay, now it just looks like it's a face wearing a ski mask. Do you see it too? Anyway, peel the sticker and attach it to the window. Easy peasy. You just want to make sure you leave some space on the right hand side to access the charging port. That's if you're going to use it with the solar panel. I'm personally not using it for now because I'd like to see how long the battery lasts on its own. Since I've got it facing the garden, I get very minimum motion detection, so I expect it to last for a couple of months. Plus, it's so easy to remove to charge. Just pop it off and on as you need. But if you prefer to not worry about charging it at all, then the solar panel is easy to install. Simply attach the strip onto the back of the solar panel. It's magnetic, so it'll just pop on. Just like that. Peel the film and then stick it to your window, attaching the USB-C cable to the camera's Type-C port. I think having the solar panel option is such a bonus. I'm not using it right now, but I love that I have the option to. The W11 camera records at 4 megapixel, so the footage quality is good day and night. And when it gets dark, it offers colour night vision. Yep, even through glass. It uses AI blacklight technology to capture clear full colour footage at night with no glare at all, so you can make out faces, cars and other details. I mean, look at this. You'd never be able to tell that it was pitch black outside. This was manually recorded from the app after 11 PM at night, but you really can't tell because of how light everything looks, including the sky. And because of the AI blacklight technology it uses, motion detection also works behind windows. Like I mentioned earlier, that's thanks to the millimetre-wave radar system, which can accurately detect motion through glass up to around 7 meters away, which is more than good enough, I think. It supports Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, or you can choose the optional 4G LTE version if you want to use it somewhere without home internet. And with it mounted indoors, it's protected from vandalism, weather damage, and even theft, while still monitoring outside. I mentioned no wires earlier, and that's of course because the W11 is battery and solar powered. On its own, the battery can apparently last up to 60 days. I'm currently putting that to the test, but battery drainage is very slow at the moment, which is good. But how long it lasts will depend on how many motion detections are triggered, but the included solar panel can keep it continuously powered with daily sunlight, so that takes away any need to worry about charging. Overall, I think the idea behind this is actually pretty cool. I mean, it's not trying to replace a full outdoor security system, it's more about making window-based monitoring simple without any of the usual installation hassle. Whether it's something you'd actually use long term probably depends on your specific setup, but as a concept for keeping an eye on your home from the inside, I think it is a very clever approach. And I think it's actually very beneficial for renters as well who aren't able to install anything permanent. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave the details linked below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.